Hey guys, I am making bone broth today, and I thought I'd make a quick video since my sister was asking me how to make it, and I just thought this might be the quickest, easiest way to make it clear. So obviously the key ingredient is bones. I just put in about 3 good-sized beef bones down in there under the herbs. You can't see them anymore. Fill up your pot. My pot's about 2 gallons. Fill it up with cold water. You can make a gallon at a time or even less, but I just do 2 gallons because we drink a lot of bone broth. And then you want to add, well, I like to add just a couple of bay leaves, about a pinch of black pepper or whole peppercorns, different colors, some rosemary. I put in some herbs de Provence, but you could do any herbs you want, and I like sage. And I usually like thyme, but I'm out of it right now. And some vinegar, some apple cider vinegar you splash in. For me, I put in about half a cup for this much, and that just helps draw out all of the minerals from the bones. So then I'm going to put this on the stove, and I'm going to bring it to a simmer and let it simmer gently for 24 to 48 hours till I get around to straining it. And then, oh, I added some salt as well. And then I'll probably adjust the spices as needed. I'll add turmeric and ginger and a little more salt and pepper probably, and make it how we like it. So that's pretty much it. Bone broth is super simple and super good for you. So hope this helps somebody.